Cane is a natural material that is affected by the specific ambient humidity. If humidity is not optimal, the individual fibers slacken and ripple. It's easy to correct this. Just follow these instructions. Dampen a sponge, squeeze most of the water out, then moisten the entire cane weave surface, front and back, right up to the groove in the chair frame. Make sure that the whole weave is saturated with water. The cane weave will tighten as it dries naturally over several hours. If you wish to speed up this process, dry the weave gently with a hairdryer from a distance of 10 centimeters. This will take you approximately 10 minutes. The result will be a tight cane weave that, with the right use and care, will last you a long time.